Hello all, myself Saurav KK. I am IIC coordinator working at Vail Nursing College, Vistas. I'm the founder and CEO of Trip 9 Medical Technologies Private Limited. I would like to share my insight on from insight to innovation creative techniques for addressing market gaps. So, basically, imagination into insight. The term imagination and insight are used parallelly, but both are not similar. Actually, imagination means this product will work. This is the clear term which may say that imagination means this product will work, which has a clear authentication. But insight is this problem needs solving. Like we are able to identify the inner requirement of that solution or the problem, and the validation of insights can be done through observation, patient feedback, repeated failures, and by utilizing these three techniques to validate an insight, we'll get a real problem solving. And innovation always must start with an insight, not just imagination. And what is the requirement of an engineer in the innovation which has been done by a nurse? Innovation lies at the intersection of human need and technology, and nurses will be able to identify the real problems that are being faced at the hospitals. And engineers, they will be able to identify and design the solution for the problems that are being identified by the nurses. The nurses are able to identify the problems. Why? Because they are being in the bedside of patients throughout the care, and they will be able to directly observe the patient's issues through an empathetic action. There should be a clear cut balance between the technology and humanity, speed and safety, innovation and ethics. And this insight without a balance in between this nursing and engineering will fail in the market, as the technology won't meet the requirement of the patients in empathetic form. And now let's see the difference between innovation and invention. Basically, innovation is finding out a solution from the existing things, and invention is finding or discovering a new thing, a new product. And within an organization, if the innovation ideation has to be done, the faculties or teachers can do brainstorming within a classroom or a college. And Scamper method is a specified technique for identifying innovative ideas. Mind mapping can be given to the students who has ideas to guide them to find the right result. And why a nurse is talking about innovation in healthcare? So we are the frontline problem observers. We interact with the patients. We are in the workflows, and we daily identify pain points, inefficiencies in the hospitals, and safety gaps in the patient care. As I told, the frontline experience reveals the real world problems. Engineering transforms the problems into scalable solutions, and the innovation later succeeds when human insight and technical designs both are balanced. Now let's see what's a market gap. It represents an unmet or poorly addressed problem, creating an opportunity for innovations and new solution. Market gap doesn't mean about a startup, it does mean about innovation. And let us see what are the types of market gap. One is functional, one is cost, accessibility, technology, and experience. If you see functional market gaps that are existing due to the unavailability of functionality in any procedure or technique, the cost efficiency. Next is accessibility. Accessibility is the technology accessibility to the patients or to the nurses or the healthcare workers. And next is technology. Technology involves the new advancement and technology which are not able to used by the nurses or healthcare members in the right way. As we know about the experience is from the healthcare worker or those who have technical experience. Let us see why we need an incubation and a mentor, because we need to transfer the ideas into solutions, and this concept should be later found into a problem solving market analyzed solution that can be commercialized easily. My philosophy of innovation is that innovation is not just about creating something new, it's about transforming lives, bridging gaps, and leaving a legacy of compassion and excellence. Maybe everyone cannot be an inventor, but everyone can be an innovator to identify real world problems. Thank you for your active listening.